girl Makeupbyshea, and I'm back with another freaking video. And in today's video is going to be a hair review video. This hair is from Elva hair, y'all. I'm gonna make this video super quick, so I'm sorry if you need to pause for some information. Just pause the video or rewind it, but I have to go somewhere in literally 15 minutes. This is the Elva hair Brazilian straight 360 lace front wig. That was a mouthful, guys. I practiced that so much before I filmed this. Yep, this is the 360 24-inch wig from Elva hair, y'all. It is super freaking long. This is it from the front. And you guys, sorry, I'm filming this in my washroom because my ring light broke and I'm still waiting for it to be shipped out. So we're gonna have to deal with washroom lighting for now. But y'all, this is the hair. It is Brazilian straight. And I'm gonna comb through it, guys. Show you how easy it is to manage it. And this is lace front, so you can obviously flip it whatever way you like that. But I'm not gonna make
that shit hurting
myself look crazy because I am going somewhere right now, so I'm just gonna leave it in this style. You can literally flip it however you like. It goes all the way back, so it's a 16 times 4, I believe that's what it is, and actually it's 360. So yeah, let's get into the pros and the cons. So let's talk about pros and cons for the hair, y'all, and my experience with Elva hair this time. So as we all know, one of the cons with wigs, especially that I get, is the shedding. So there is a little bit of shedding, y'all, but it was not like my last wig. Like my last wig, there was shedding, like I'm talking bare shedding. Like I could not go anywhere without it fucking shedding. Like I had hair all over my car, like it was bad. But this hair, I noticed, like literally, I think it's the shedding that's coming out right now is because I plucked the wig and I didn't really comb through it that much. So that could be the shedding. But I'm gonna comb through it right now so you guys can see. This side hasn't been combed through, so it'll be more realistic. Still comb it out so I can really get it. You know, comb from the roots down so you guys can really see. And literally this is all that came out, guys. So not a lot of shedding, but there is just a little tiny bit of shedding. Another con that I had was just for shipping. First of all, hair came super quick. I ordered the hair on I think it was Tuesday, and I got it on a Wednesday, Thursday, so 3 days. It was 3-day shipping, y'all, and I did not pay for fast shipping or anything. It was free shipping, and the hair came in 3 days. I'm telling you, on Friday I was able to lay my hair. I was like, okay, I can do this. But when it came, y'all, it didn't come in a box, and I don't know why it was such a big deal for me, but I just really wanted to, like, I just thought I was pretty skeptical that it didn't come in a box.
So I just opened the package, and this is how the wig came, y'all. There's not one box in sight, and I'm really upset because normally when I order them I get a box, but there's no box. Comes with a wig cap, comb, elastic, you know the deal, and then the wig. Super upset with the packaging. It's not, no, I'm not happy with the packaging at all, and I'll be sure to message them about that.
So I messaged the company and I was like, hey, like I normally order from you guys, like why did my hair come in a box? And they were amazing. Like customer service was bomb. I'm gonna post the conversation. They were so sweet about it, and they were really explaining to me that the reason it didn't come in a box is because the hair is 180 density. So I forgot to say the density. The hair is 180 density, so that's why I didn't come in a box, because it would have been too heavy, and then they would have had to make me pay for shipping. But they were really trying to, you know, make sure I got free shipping. So they basically explained it to me, and super nice, and that problem was fixed. But that was like the only problem. If you're like me and you wanted it in a box or whatever, just the packaging, then it just didn't come in a box because it's honestly heavy. So sorry, guys. I did not realize my fan was on the whole time, so it probably sounds really annoying. But yeah, so that was the only thing. It didn't come in a box, but they explained the whole situation why it didn't come in a box. Everything else was there. Like the hair was zipped in a bag. The zipper was broken though. Can't lie about that hair. I'm giving an honest review. Even though I love Elva hair, I'm giving a super honest review. So the hair, the zip bag, the baggie was open because I guess the zipper broke, but it was one of those cheap plastic bags, and it came with the essentials, the regular elastic, wig cap, a comb, you know, all that good stuff. All those little gifts came with it, and then the hair also came in the bag with a net on it, and super fresh. There was no smell to the hair. One thing about Elva hair is there's no smells to the hair. Like, you know how some hair smells fishy and stuff? This hair is no. Like, guys, what I did to it, so I did do a little bit of plucking. It didn't need plucking, but I wanted more of a realistic hairline, so I did pluck it a little bit myself. I think my next wig review video, I'm gonna probably show you guys how I customize my wigs, because I don't get HD lace at all. I probably should, but listen, when I'm balling, I'm gonna get HD lace. So I think my next video will probably be how I install the wigs, how I bleach the wigs, how I pluck the wigs, because a lot of people want to know how I do that. So yeah, I did take a video of the hair when it first came, because I want you guys to see before I, you know, did my whole customization and everything. So I did probably post that somewhere here.
So this is how the wig came. It was pre-plucked. Probably gonna pluck it just a bit more. It has not been bleached yet or anything. It's 24 inches, and I'm gonna show you guys on the mannequin what it looks like as well. The hair is soft for the most part. I'm joking, it's soft. Yeah, let's see the rest. Okay, and this is what it looks like on the mannequin. There we go.
Basically that's the hair. That's how it came. It came with a pre-plucked hairline, but I just wanted a little bit more, so I plucked it a little bit more, and then I bleached the roots as well. And yeah, did the same thing I did with my other hair. One thing about other hair, if you're a first time wig getter, this is the easiest hair to manage, I feel, and it lasts for so long. Like my curly wig, guys, I'm gonna post a video of what it looked like before I took it off. And I wore that for like the whole of summer, guys. I wore that all summer. I wore that from June. No, I wore that from March all the way through September. So for the 360 lace front, and this is in 24 inches, so this is the longest one they had in the 360. This pricing came to $269, but then I got a discount, so it went down a little bit. It wasn't pricey at all, guys. It was a pretty reasonable price. I'm not gonna say it was cheap, like $100. No, it was not that. No, I wish, but you pay for what you get, and I got really good quality hair. Like, guys, this hair is so silky and nice, and just true to its length. Pretty much it for this hair review, guys. If you want to see how I do wands, like the wand curls, just let me know, guys, and I will put that in. But that's pretty much it for this hair review. Thank you, Elva hair. Like, this shit is so freaking gorgeous. And yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will be back with more videos. Thank you, guys. Mwah.